And good morning everyone, magandang umaga po. Let me just double check everything. Audio, live is okay. And so, very beautiful Tuesday po sa inyo. Wednesday po sa inyo. Today we're gonna be talking about requests of yours. Yesterday, kahapon, di mo nag-live tayo and someone requested this topic which I find is very good to talk about today. Nag-request kayo na, Sir Lloyd, can you discuss how to trade using the bid and ask, right? Basically, this is more or less day trading strategy sa PSE, and you can determine pwede po itong umakyat using bid and ask, and pwede ba itong bumaba using bid and ask. And also, I will tell you the cons about this kind of strategy kasi this can be a trap din minsan, right? So, yes, we're gonna be talking about that. So, if you have any topic na gusto nyo pong pag-usapan, post it in the comments also kasi dadaanan po natin lahat ng comments ninyo. If you have any requests for charting, please do post it on the comments. Pag-uusapan din po natin yan. We'll just adjust this really quick. And, ayun, before we go to the topic, it's 8:34. We're gonna go to the topic at around 8:40. So if you're watching the replay of the video, please move forward to around 10 minutes para po diretso po kayo sa what do you call this, sa topic po natin. So I'm gonna run through the comments really quick before we go to the go to our topic. Right, so let me just turn down this volume. Ayan, so DJ na rin ako at the same time. Sorry. Hindi pala namatay. Right, right, little market update lang po. So, let me share this screen. So, PSEI, yan. Yesterday closed at 7226. I did mention to you guys na I think the market is gonna bounce yesterday, and it did after a very massive drop. It's about to bounce. But, then again, still on a downtrend. Downtrend pa rin tayo sa PSEI. So, I still really cannot recommend any stocks. I don't want you to go trading today. I want the PSEI to stabilize first before I want to recommend for you guys to trade. It's gonna be very hard to trade in this kind of market. So, kunting ingat po. Going to the comments. Gacha Legend Girl, good morning Sir Lloyd. Ito, gamer to. Yung mga kung hindi nyo po alam yung gacha, yun po yung mga binibili sa games. So, Gacha Legend Girl, good morning Sir Lloyd. Insights po kay CHPIRC. Thank you so much. We're gonna be doing charting after our main topic. So I'm gonna write these down. Ayun. Alright. Right. In-erase ko lang yung mga comments yung mga questions kahapon. Benji Unabia, good morning sir. Pasensya na, hirap pa rin ako mag-type kasi still injured yung kamay natin. So, mabagal ako mag-type na yun. Edward Milan TV, good morning, coach, watching from Milan, Italy. Good morning po sa inyo dyan. Marims, good morning po Sir Lloyd. Good morning, Alice Kabigting. Morning, coach, Miss Apple and Laika. Pasilip naman po si PHA, SSP, Ion, and Sun. Right, I'll write these down. Ano po pwede intraday and scalp? Thank you. Intraday and scalp, depende po kasi yan sa intraday na movement kung sino magandang galaw today. Tingnan niyo po, isa sa magandang strategy sa intraday and scalp, sino mag-trending within the day or kung sino ang maging gumawa ng momentum within the day. Wait for it to pull back in the intraday chart, and then that's where you enter and try to scalp it, right? Candice Bacas, good morning. Keanu Villegas, good morning din. Michael Chan, morning. Crazy Aviation, good day Sir Lloyd. Okay po ba sakyan si Facebook? Thank you. Alright, so Facebook in the international market. I'll write these down. FB. Alright, so Facebook. Loris Hoxon, good morning. Chris Aguirre, good morning Sir Lloyd. Chris Aguirre, medyo nakabawi kahapon ang index stocks. Yes, we were expecting for the index stocks to bounce yesterday, but still it's not a good time to start trading yet, unless yung stock na tinitingnan nyo okay lang sa index na stocks. Kung nasa support siya, so pwede nyo na pong subinlan, bodegahin. Pero yung mga maakyat na huwag niyo pong hahabulin kasi ang lakas ng tendency na hindi magtuloy-tuloy yan kasi kulangan ng volume. So if your stocks bounced yesterday, if it's a blue chip and it's something that you want to accumulate, the best strategy in this kind of market is accumulation po. And the supports are the good areas to start accumulating. If it goes further down, then buy more on the next supports that it will form. So if nagsusupport yung what do you call this, yung stocks ninyo na tinitignan, that's a good time to buy some, right? Accumulate some. For example, very good example, I was studying the market yesterday. Let me share my screen really quick. Si FB, not Facebook, si San Miguel Food and Beverages, right? So FB, right? So the index, this is FB's situation yesterday. Let me just write this. 2 days ago, right? So this is the situation of FB. So this is the support right here, 60, 70 point, around 70, right, mga 70, di ba? So even if the market is red, if we are hitting supports already, it's good to buy at that area. And look at that, the prices bounced at these levels right here, di ba? So 70 at 70.53. So that's the best time to enter the stock. Kung nasa support yan siya, okay lang. You start accumulating. And there it is. And it started to go up already. So, if your stock is a blue chip, it's a good company, and it has supports, even in this bearish market, this is the best area to start accumulating. Right? So, kung ganun ang situation na stock nyo, then pwede nyo pong pasukin. Alright, so it's 8:40 already. I'm gonna go to the topic first before I continue the before I continue reading the comments and your requests. So if you have any requests, anything for charting, please do post it in the comments, and then dadaanan po natin yan. If you have any topics you want to talk about in the future episodes ng Daily Grind, then post it in the comments. I'll write it down, and then unahin ko po pinakamagandang topic, and then we'll see. Alright, we can talk about your comments, yung mga requests ninyo. Right, and if nakita nyo po sa baba, meron po dyang need finance investments or business advice, send me a message at fb.com/financefreedom101. So, I answer you personally sa mga messages ninyo. Minsan nga lang, if nabibisi ako, hindi ko masagot. Please do not message me on my personal Facebook page kasi hindi ko gano'n tinitingnan messenger ko doon. Mas tinitingnan ko po yung page ko po na messenger. So, please send me a message there instead. Okay? So, if you need financial advices, investment advices, business advices, please send me a comment in send me a message in Financial Freedom 101. Pasensya na if medyo magulo sa likod ko. It's makeshift studio kasi yung likod ko ngayon because my daughter Laika is starting her own YouTube channel. So, she's having fun. So, ang gulo ng likod. Anyways, I'm gonna stop with Chris Aguirre muna for the comments. And then, let's go to the topic. Ayan, the topic for today is how to trade using bid and ask. Right? Kasi, during the day trading, in the middle of the day, pag nagde-trade na kayo, you can see the bid and ask, right? The bid and ask portion of the charts, for those who don't know, is here, right here. I don't know if I can zoom this out. But eto po, dito po sa right side ng screen natin, meron po diyang bid and ask, right? Bid and ask. Bid is the buying side for those who don't understand what bid is. So, this is the buying side, and asking is the selling side. Ito yung nagbebenta ng stocks. Asking what price. So, itong green ito yung presyo na hinihingi nila. Right? Magkano nila binibenta? In this case, they want to sell it at 78, 79. I don't know if you can see it clearly on your screens. I hope you do. If mabilis ang internet nyo, most probably malinaw naman yung live natin. Right? So, 79.50. And then the second line is the volume. So, how many stocks are they selling? And then this last number here, the number 3, number 1, number 2, that means ilan ang mga nagbebenta ng ganyan. So these are very important. So that's the ask side. This is the bid side naman. Ito naman yung buying. Right? So someone wants to buy it at 72.60. Alright, 72.60. Ang current price is 78 pesos. Someone wants to buy it at 72.60. Ilan gusto niyang bilhin? 5K stocks. Right? 5K stocks. And then isang tao lang yan. So laki-laki yan. Right? 5,000 stocks times 78 pesos. You do the math. Isang tao lang yan. So, malaki-laki yung bibilhin niya. And then here, 7250, wants to buy at 7250 at 2.03 thousand. Ayan, 2.03 thousand stocks. And there are 3 people. So, in-add up, 2.03K ang gusto nilang bilhin. So, yun. That is basically what bid and ask means, and that is what the bid and ask portion will tell you. So, just to explain, para hindi po kayo mag-nosebleed sa main topic natin. Diba? So, that's bid and ask. If you have any questions about bid and ask, hindi nyo naintindihan sa bar na ito, then please post it in the comments. Later on, dadaanan natin yung questions about the topic. Right, so now, big question is, how do I know, Sir Lloyd, if aakyat na yung stock gamit yung bid and ask, or bababa na yung stock gamit yung bid and ask? Ano ba tinitingnan natin dyan? Paano natin malalaman kung aakyat na yung stock or hindi? Okay? So, let me just get my slide really quick. So, ayan. Ayun, slide. Let me double check my yan. So, here is a slide I prepared for you guys para mas maintindihan natin na maayos. Paano natin malalaman kung aakyat na yung stock o hindi, or pwede siyang umakyat. Hindi naman ito, guys, hindi ito 100%. It's just that whenever this happens, this usually happen. It's not 100% of the time, but usually does happen. Okay? So on your screen right now, so this is SMPH right here, SMPH, SM Prime Holdings. This is the bid and ask. The current price of SMPH is 38.90, right? 38.90 ang presyo ni SMPH right now. Okay? So here is the bid and ask. If you notice, someone wants to buy it at 38.70, meaning walang gustong bumili ng 38.90, walang gustong bumili ng 38.91. So it means kung walang gustong bumili dyan at 38.90, pwede pang bumaba ang presyo, right? Kasi usually pag ang isang signal na pwede pa itong umakyat is kung merong gustong bumili ng 38.90, pwede pang umakyat yan. Walang nagbebenta sa 38.90, so people will be forced, kung yung mga gustong bumili talaga is patataasan nila yan. For example, 39.50. Pwede lang i-bargain yan at around mga 39.40, 39.30. Pwede lang i-bargain doon para malapit sila sa para kung may magbenta sila makakuha. But in this case, 38.70, meaning mas mababa pa ito. Okay? Mas mababa pa ito ng konti. But overall, if you look at it overall, mapapansin niyo po dito, at 38.60, which is around this area right here. Let me just use let me just use a felt tip pen. So, if you notice this one right here, there is someone buying it at 38.60. So, that's around this level right here. Okay? Pero 5K lang. Ang pinakamaganda dito is this one right here, 38.50. Right? At around 38.50, someone wants to buy it at someone wants to buy 260,000 stocks. Right? 260K stocks. So, ang dami niyan for SMPH. 260,000 stocks, and then there are 11 people who wants to buy it. So, this means this will be our support. Right? Yun yung support natin. If gusto niyo po sumali dyan sa 260K, then you can. But this is an indicator that there is a big buying at around this area. So, kung marami man, kung bullish man itong stock na ito, right? Most probably, hindi ka makakuha na nito. May hirapan ka kasi may 11 na uuna sa'yo. Diba? So, if you really want to buy it above. Right? Bilhin nyo sa taas. Okay, but this is an indicator that there's a support right here. There's very big buying right here. And if you notice, walang gustong magbenta ng mura. So, with that, since marami ang buying at around this level, we can safely say na at around this area magbabounce yung presyo na yan. So, that is where you try to bargain. I-monitor nyo na yan kung bababa ang presyo dyan. Kung malapit na dyan, maybe you can go above 38.50. Maybe you can join etong 38.55 para as your entry point. But because buying is much is there than selling, walang gusto magbenta at around 38.70. Tignan nyo po, ang gustong ibenta 39 pesos pa. So, dito pa ang selling, right? And there's very big buying here. This is an indicator na pwede pong umakyat ang stock na yan kung gusto nyo pong pumasok. Okay? Pwede itong umakyat kasi walang gusto magbenta. Pero kung makikita nyo po kung maraming nagbebenta at mababa na price, for example, ang price ngayon is 38.90. Mayroong gusto magbenta ng around 38.95 or 38.39 and marami ang volume, then that's a red flag kasi may gustong magbuhos, right? And kung marami yung volume na ibinebenta niya. But in this case, I think SMPH will go up kasi walang gustong magbenta, and then makikita niyo po may buying na makapal, right? Kasi may buying na makapal and then walang gustong magbenta, most probably SMPH is gonna go up today. But this is pre-market volume pa ha. So it's not really magagap pa ito. It's gonna consolidate first. We don't know what's gonna happen, but basically this is what bid and ask is telling us, right? Kung marami ang buying, especially may support na meron talagang nag-aabang dyan sa presyo na yan, then walang gusto magbenta, konti lang nagbebenta, prices most probably will go up. Okay? So another example is here. So, slide 2. Dito tayo sa slide 2. Alright. So this is Ayala Corporation. Ito yung presyo ni Ayala Corp yesterday. Meron tayong support at around 700, let's say mga 710. Right? Anyways, ito yung gusto kong I want to point this out. So, volume, bid and ask, we have 300 stocks buying at 733 per the significant volume is at around 720. So we can safely say that 720 we have a short-term support right here. Okay? So merong maraming buying dito. And look at the selling. Ang selling is konti lang ang selling. 40, 170 compared to mabigat to 1.4K, 410. Pero saan nila binibenta? Binibenta ba nila at around 741 or dito pa sa level na ito? What this is saying as it's the first selling is at 747 pa po. So meaning dito pa po. So there's heavy buying. Mas mabigat ang buying ngayon kaysa sa selling. Right? And then mas mataas ang selling. Okay? So in this case, mas mabigat ang buying. Mas maraming gustong bumili. And then, ang selling mas konti, then most probably the prices of Ayala is gonna go up today. Right? Tingnan lang natin within the day kung ano talaga ang mangyayari sa volume. If ever it starts to go up already and you wanna join this, then you can buy some here. But mas maganda ito sa day trading kasi. Position trading kasi, whatever the price that is available, pumapwesto na ako kaagad. Right? Pero kung gusto mo mag-day trade, you know where the support is, 720. Kung makapasok ka sa 720, then that will be your support. Okay? Doon ka pumasok. And then, scalp nyo po from there. Okay? So, mas makapal ang buying, then most probably the prices are gonna go up. Next slide. So, opposite side naman, kanina mas mamigat ang buying kasi mas mamigat kaysa sa selling. Here naman, in this scenario, this is San Miguel, this is FB. This is the current situation of FB. Nasa 78 po tayo, presyo natin. Right? Kala nga. So, 78 po yung current price natin right here. Okay. Now, look at the selling side. No, pointer options, right? So, look at the selling side. May nagbebenta, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, baka may magbenta sa current price. May nagbebenta sa current price at 78 pesos and that's 15K stocks. And then that's a heavy volume on the selling side right there. Mabigat yan kasi look at the buying, 5K lang, 2K lang, 1.9K, 50 stocks. But here on the selling side, look at this, 15K binibenta at 78 mismo. Right? So that's already a resistance right there. Instant resistance. Don't buy there kasi meron nagbebenta ng marami. Most probably the prices are gonna drop. Look at this. May nagbebenta 5K at 79. Right? Bigat ng selling. So from this three alone, sa tatlong first selling pa lang alone, mabigat na and we don't have the volume to support the buy. And look at that. 5K ang buying. Yes, marami naman ng buying, Sir Lloyd, 5K. But look at the price of the buying. It's 72.60. Meaning, andito pa yan gustong bumili. Walang gustong bumili from this area to this area. So most probably the prices are gonna drop. from this. Using the bid and ask, we can say that the price might most probably will drop. Okay? So this is a good example of using bid and ask to know if pwede ba mang pasukin yan. No, because maraming nagbebenta. Okay? I hope that's clear. Adjust ko lang yung microphone ko kasi I checked my videos yesterday and mahina pala yung boses ko. Please comment if okay lang ang audio ko. So next slide, let's go to the next. Go to slide number 4. Another example of cases that I think it will drop. BDO, Unibank, tingnan nyo po, may 2K na selling at around 151.80, right? Meron 550, but we have 2K selling at 151.80. Ang buying, look at the buying volume, napakaliit lang. The current price is 150. May manipis na volumes to buy at around 149, mababa 149, 148.90. So mas mababa ang volume niya kaysa selling. May malaking selling at around this level, and we have another selling at 152. Right? So this is not very definite. Kanina extremes naman 'yon. So FB, kita niyo naman 'yon. Sure na 'yon bababa. But this case, medyo mas mabigat pa rin ang selling kasi mas marami ang nagbebenta. So most probably BDO is gonna do a pullback today. But I hope you understand, mas makapal ang selling, meaning most probably the prices are gonna drop. If mas makapal ang buying, then most probably the prices are gonna buy, right? And then you can see a resistance and support there, right? So you can see here, merong 10K binibenta sa 154. So intraday, meron tayong resistance dito, 2K at 151. So it's a thick resistance right here. So yun yung kailangan banggain. And then kailangan yan ma-overcome ng buying. To know for sure na makakalusot tayo dyan. Pagtingin ko dito, konti lang ang buying, tapos ang lapit ng mga resistances, so baka hindi mag-sustain. Especially when the market is bearish, so baka hindi mag-sustain yung bounce. So most probably, BDO is gonna do a pullback today. Right? So that is how, basically, you know if the prices are gonna go up or if the prices are gonna go down, and then where you position. In PSE, you position yourself na malapit sa support. Makikita nyo po yung support with the bid and ask, right? If makapal ang volume at that price, that tends to be the support. You don't have to line yourself up dyan sa support na yan. Huwag kayo makisabay kasi baka maraming nakapila dyan. Mauhuli kayo kasi first come, first serve yan, diba? So, hindi kayo makakapasok. So, what you do is you price yourself above. For example, kanina, let's go to slide number 1. Alright, for example, let me go to the eraser muna. Erase ko muna lahat. Alright. Pointer. Alright, so 3850, may malaking volume dito. We are seeing 260,000 stocks buying sa 3850. So 3850 is around this level right here. Now, this is our support. Okay? 3850 is our support. You don't have to enter it at 3850. Pwede ka makisabay kay 3855 at least. Okay? Kasi kung dito ka pipila, ikaw yung pang-12, hindi natin alam kung may magbebenta dyan. Kung may magbenta man ng konti, maunahan kayo. So, it's gonna be very hard to enter at that price. So, pwede nyo po unahan dito. Now, with this, the next part of the topic is, I want you to be careful with this. Kasi dito, kaya ayoko gaano mag-trade na ngayon sa PSE. Kasi dito, naglalaro ang mga jockey. Right? So, I'm gonna talk about how jockeys perform in PSE. So, konti ingat muna. Before I go to that, I'm gonna go through a few questions siguro. Let's see if ever you have any questions. Sir, ano po nangyari sa inyo? Yung daliri ko, it was an accident. Grinder, nag-change ako ng blade. Tapos, nakasaksak pala. Nag-on bigla. Boom, putol ang daliri ko. Alvin Natalia, Sir Lloyd, morning po everyone. Next topic, how to spot trend stages and reversals. Yeah, sige. We'll talk about that. I do have a video about trends already. Sige, pero napaka-basic nun. And yeah, we can talk about this mas advanced. Right, Loris Hoxon, is the eToro, does eToro have this kind of board also? Wala pong ganito sa eToro, but you can use ano nga ba yung charting natin sa international market? Sino yun? Can you nasa dulo it's at the tip of my tongue. Yung charting natin sa international market, pwede niyo pong ilagay sa comments ano nga ba uli yun. Nestor Aquino, Sir James, applicable lang ba ang bid and ask sa PSE, not international market? Sino si Sir James? Sir Lloyd ako. Hindi ako si James. Anyways, very applicable in PSE. Sa international market, halos parehas. Grabe ang volume kasi sa international market. It's very fast-paced. You already know there's volume in the international market. Sa sobrang kapal ng volume, hindi gaano applicable ito. Right? Hindi gaano applicable ito sa sobrang kapal ng volume because the volume is very thick. Ang kapal. So, mahihirapan ka talagang pumasok. So, if you want to, you can still apply this but not that very applicable kasi sa sobrang kapal, you don't really know for sure if makapasok ka doon. But at least you have a guide na, uy, ito na presyo na ito. Maraming nagbibid. But because ang daming tao, it moves erratically. Yung mga bid and ask, nakakancel ka agad, lumilipat. So, sobrang bilis nito sa international market. Sa international market lang, as long as there's a volume in the stock, chart nyo na lang tignan. Alright? You can do this if you're very meticulous, but it's gonna be very, sa sobrang bilis, sobrang laki ng volume, mahuhuli kayo before you can analyze the volume. Dito sa PSE, manipis lang, so this is very applicable. Okay, so very good question from Nestor Aquino. King Bakay, Sir MBT, please. Mamaya na yan. Sir, good morning. Any insights kay ISM? Thanks po. May impact po ba yung pag-resign ni Yusek Rio? No, matagal na yun eh. Mr. Honasa na nag-handle ng ano eh. So, that's not a problem. Keanu Villegas, saan po makikita ang projected price, opening price na isang stock? So, sa PSE, right, let me answer that question. Let me go to the side. So, eto, nakaano na sa Investograms. Meron na silang projected open kaagad. Right? So, for example, FB, meron tayong projected open agad kay FB na 77 changes negative 1.28. So I discussed about you kanina, most probably FB is gonna go down. So there it is. The projected price of FB is 72.60. Right? So with the bid and ask alone, we will know that the stocks might go down, and then there it is. It will go down at around projected price is 72.60 from 78 pesos. So that's how you use bid and ask. Okay. So, isa sa example natin kanina sa I think will go down is FB. So, there it is. It is gonna go down at around 72.60. So, that's good. Pwede itong bumaba. At least, pwede siyang bumalik sa support. You have a very clear support right here. FB is a very good company. Napakamura ni FB ngayon. If it goes down to support, then that's good. We have a confirmation of that support. Let's see if ever bumalik agad sa support at mag-bounce. Then, you buy. Di ba? So, this is good. Ang kagandahan lang nito, hindi mo kailangan bumili sa 78 kasi the bid and ask is telling you na it's gonna drop. So, antayin natin sa baba. Hindi mas maganda. Okay. TradingView. Ayan, tradingview.com. So, check out tradingview.com. Meron pong volume doon. Benoit, audio is okay, Sir Lloyd. Loud and clear. Very good. So, Alvin Hutalia, pwede ba next topic, how to spot trend and stages? Yes, sir. That's what we're gonna be talking about most probably tomorrow. Yun. So, going back to the topic, there are instances, ang bid and ask kasi, ginagamit ng mga jockeys, especially yung mga nagde-day trade. Maraming jockeys dyan. Now, how do jockeys exploit bid and ask? Para naman po, alam ninyo kung anong ginagawa ng mga jockeys. Right? Let me go back to the slide. Right. So, ganito ang ginagawa ng mga jockeys. For example, ito, let's start with slide number 2. And then let me erase these really quick. Eraser. Yan, para malinis. Pointer. Right. So, this is what jockeys do. Okay? For example, ang current price ni Ayala Corporation is already 740.50, diba? So, a jockey this is what they will be doing. I will buy stocks at around 740.50. Meron nagbebenta 747. Kung gusto kong pumasok agad, let's say pasok ako sa 747. So that should be around this level right here. So especially institutions or jockeys with large amounts of money, okay? Or groups, meron na ngayon sa PSE, mga jockey na groups. So what they do is, oy guys, mukhang maganda. Let's say, for example, nasa support sa Ayala Corp ngayon. Oy guys, nakabili na tayo sa support, ha? Bili kayo lahat sa support as much as possible. From range, eto yung sinasabi nila, from 720 to 730, bili na kayo. Once they have a go, right? Once nakapasok na sila ng volume na gusto nila, this is what they will do. Institutions, yung mga brokerages, they have almost unlimited funds to trade in PSE. So let's say 720, nakapasok sila to 730. What they're gonna be doing, since support naman ito, what they're gonna be doing is they're gonna be jacking up buying at lower than 720. Okay? So what they're gonna do is, at around 715, lalagyan nila niyan ng napakalaking volume ng buying. Right? So, let's say 717. Lagyan nila ito ng, let's say, mga 50K na volume. Right? They want, lalagyan nila ito ng order. Since malayo-layo pa naman yan. At makikita naman nila na walang nagbebenta. What they're gonna be doing is they're gonna put a very large volume here. Okay. What this does is, traders will see, hala, may gustong bumili dito na napakarami. Right? The effect of this is, uy, si Ayala Corp, magandang company, nasa support, and andito pa siya, nasa support area pa siya, so pwede pa siyang bilhin. And merong gustong bumili at magbodega dito sa malaki sa taas. What this does is, it gives a signal to the buyers na, bilhin ko na kasi may gusto magbodega doon. Diba? Nagbobodega nga sila, bakit ako hindi? Number 2, signal is that, it will create a fear. It will create a buying pressure. Buying pressure yung term na hinahanap ko. Bakit? Ako, gusto ko sanang bumili at around 716. Right? Let's say, 717 yung ginack up nila. Gusto ko sana bumili sa 716. Pagtingin ko, hala, ang laki ng support, ang laki ng buying sa 717. So, most probably, hindi na ako makakaabot at 716, and gusto ko talagang bumili ng Ayala Corp kasi nasa support nga. So, I'm gonna cancel my order here, and doon ko uunahan ko sila. Dito ko ilalagay sa mas mataas at 720. Okay? So, it's a domino effect. So, lahat dito magka-cancel, lalagay nila dito. So, people are gonna see, tumataas na ang buying. Meron ng mas malaking volume at 720. Wala akong choice. Ang dami ng volume dyan. Doon ko ilalagay sa 721. So and so forth. Kakapal ang buying. And it rockets the prices up just for them to sell right away. Pag binenta na nila yan, 1%, remember, these jockeys, 1%, 2%, okay na sa kanila yan, scalping ang mga hanap nila. 1%, 2%, and if they're gonna see another resistance, they're all gonna sell. Sabay-sabay yan magbebenta. So basically, the point is, they can do this strategy to create a buying pressure for them to gain. So, konting ingat din po dito kasi baka ma-jockey rin kayo. Kaya I don't really like to do day trading in PSE. Mahirap po. Right? Mahirap po unless that you have all the necessary tools, may connection po kayo. Malaman niyo po, may malaking volume. Let's say may malaking isang buying sa isang broker dito. So you can call them, pare, or basta nagbubulungan yan sila eh. Right, pare, bakit may malaking buying ka dito, ganito, ganyan. Right? So, others might give the information to them, but that's the beauty about being in the floor. You have the connection. Alam nyo bakit nagbabaying ganito, ganyan. Okay? So, dito, hindi natin alam. This is our disadvantage as retail buyers and sellers. We don't have that connection, so we don't really know what's going on. Is it a fake bid or is it a jockey bid? Is there something, may bulong ba or ganito, ganyan? So, we are playing at a disadvantage. So, hopefully, hindi kayo mahulog sa mga ganito. If the stock is in the support, then just buy the support. And if there's good volume din naman, if you entered at a good support, then that's good. Pero kung nakapasok na lahat at yung matataas na lang ang levels nyo, baka ma-FOMO kayo eh. Baka paakit na yung presyo, wala nang buying, so hahabulin nyo. Yung mga naghahabol, yun na yung mga na-jockey. Right? And then they will be selling. Pag nag-sell yan, at wala naman talagang gustong bumili, babagsak yan at naiipit kayo. right? Also, on the opposite side, jockeys can also do the opposite side. Pwede nilang pigilan ang pag-akyat ng isang stock. Okay? Kasi institutions already have a stockpile of these stocks. What they're gonna do is, for example, let me erase this again. Let me erase everything. Right, so, for example, institutions is mag-ano pa yan sila, they want to they want volume, right? Volume meaning they want to get enough stocks first at that level. For example, in this case, kung gusto nila pumasok muna sa 720 to 730, pipigilin nila ang pag-akyat ng presyo. So they have buying on these levels right here. And then what they're gonna do is they're gonna be selling it. But lalagyan nila ng selling pressure at let's say at around 740 pesos, and they're gonna sell let's say mga 10k dito. So magbebenta sila ng 740 ng 10k stocks. Now this creates a selling pressure. Why? Because sellers pagtingin nila, may gusto magbenta ng 740 na 10k, ang laki niyan. So ako, for example, binenta ko dito 748.50. What I'm gonna do is cancel my order here and then uunahan ko ito. So, ibebenta ko ng 739 kasi para mabenta ko yung stocks ko. Kasi may nagbenta dyan ng napakalaki. Hindi na ako aabutan ng buying. So, it creates a selling pressure, and ito yung domino effect kasi may palaki ng mga selling. So, people will start selling at a lower price. And then, what they're gonna do is just cancel their selling, and then binenta nyo kasi ng mas mura, siya na ngayon ang kukuha. So, bibilhin niya ngayon yung selling pressure because the selling pressure created a selling at a lower price, and then pumunta na sa presyo na gusto niya. What he does is, he's gonna buy your selling. Right? Pwede nilang pigilan ang pag-akyat ng stocks by creating a selling pressure like this. So, sadly, this is true in PSE. I've seen this firsthand, right? Invite ako noon ng isang brokerage, I won't name them, a friend of mine. I was in their trading office, right? There's this one time na pinigilan niya ang pag-akyat ng isang stock. So, linagyan niya ng selling pressure. Kasi gusto pa nilang bumili ng mas marami sa baba. Wala na nagbebenta sa baba. So, they created a selling pressure so that stocks, prices of selling will go down, and then nabili nila yung volume nila. Once they already have the volume, cancel na yung order na selling. And then, if they want, they can create a buying pressure now. Right? The original, the real buying and selling is already back to normal. Then they're gonna create a buying pressure for the stock prices to go up. So that is what jockeys do. That is why I don't like trading in PSE. I've seen this firsthand. I tell you honestly, right? So that's ayun yung mahirap sa PSE. But anyways, what you just do is, if ever nakapasok na kayo sa support, just get in the support and let the jockeys do their thing. Makisabay lang kayo. Basta as long as makapasok kayo sa support. Kaya po, I always recommend you enter at the support and wag po sa resistances. Baka ma-hit kayo sa mga ganito. Okay? So, I'm gonna go to the comments. Chris Aguirre, Sir Lloyd, is it similar to law of supply and demand? Yes, definitely. Similar lang po. Right? So, that's the topic for today. I hope may natutunan po kayo. Right? It's 9:12. I'm gonna go to the requests now. Okay? If you have any questions about the topic, I hope this is an eye-opener for you guys. Naintindihan niyo po how people can control. Especially sa PSE kasi manipis ang volume. Doon kasi sa international market, kahit na mag-jockey ka pa dyan, wala. Hindi mapapansin yan sa sobrang kapal ng volume. So, hindi mapapansin yung ilang million mo. Kahit pa may 10 million ka, or if you have 20 million, we are talking about billions of dollars na mga companies. So, mahirap po i-jockey yan. Right? That's why it's healthier in the international market. Speaking of international market, congratulations sa mga may Tesla. Diba? Discard. Right? So, Tesla, walang tigil ang pag-akyat ni Tesla. Grabe. Kahapon, Tesla hit another all-time high. there. Umabot siya ng almost 1K, right? Dito. Sobrang taas na ni Tesla. Amazing. So, congratulations sa mga nakakuha ng Tesla, and then people started to sell it already. Kasi sobrang mahal na. Sobrang hinog na ni Tesla. And then, there it is. Congratulations sa mga nag-sell kay Tesla kahapon. I saw many posts. May nag-send pa sa akin ng message ng gains niya kay Tesla. People were earning already around 300, 200% from Tesla. So, amazing. Congratulations po sa inyo. Okay? Yes, sir. Thanks la. Thanks to Copy Trading, Senester Aquino. Yung kinokopya mo may Tesla. Ang galing. Grabe yung Tesla, sir. Oo nga eh. So, congratulations po. Let's say they're asking for 715 at 50K. Pag dumami na po yung mataas ang bid, ika-cancel agad yung order nila. Yes, kina-cancel nila. Kasi they just want to create a pressure of selling or buying. And then, hindi naman talaga nila bibilin. Kina-cancel nila yan. Kasi in reality, nakapasok na yan sila. Right? So, that's what they do. Right, so I'm gonna go to the charts. Okay na? You don't have any questions about the topic, right? Heads up ko lang kayo kasi yun yung nangyayari sa PSE. Jockeys can do that in PSE. Right, so let's go to the questions. Charting natin mga requests. CHP, may request kanina for CHP. Si CHP, divergence already si CHP. I did tell you yesterday na mukhang mag-green na si CHP, and there it is, dalawang green na for CHP. So that's so much better. This is divergence already. I would say test buy already CHP habang andyan pa yan. Most probably reversal ito for CHP. Sobrang mura na ni CHP kasi. Then again, market might make it drop, pero hindi naman talaga bearish ang market. So if you wanna trade this sa CHP, I forgot who sent this question for CHP. This is your support. Right here, pinaka-main support niya is around 133. But that is your support area. And if it collapses from there, then cut your losses. But RSI is telling us na mukhang okay na ito. Nag-divergence na siya on the first time. Okay? So, CHP is good for trading. Strictly for trading lang. If mali tayo, then please cut your losses. Okay? All stocks. That is for CHP. IRC. Kamusta natin si IRC? Si Subway. Hindi nag-sustain ang Subway eh. So we are still on a downtrend. We're looking at a downtrend still of IRC. So stay away lang po muna. We don't have any reversal signals. Though we have divergence here at these levels, so maybe it will confirm a support. If mag-confirm yan ng support, then let's test it out, right? Engulfing, hindi pa kasi nakapag-engulfing for me sa IRC. Masyadong mahina yung bounce niya. So let's say if it can at least confirm a support, then we can test IRC. Test buy lang, maliit lang na amount because we are going against a downtrend here, right? We're just guessing the bottom. We're trying to guess the bottom for IRC. But all in all, IRC is a very good company. Hopefully, pag nag-recover ang market, this will recover also. Guys, remember, nga pala, little reminder, deadline na ngayon. Today's the last day for you to fund your eToro account. Guys, $50 po yan para sa inyo. May not sound that much to some, but for me, $50 is already very big for you. Okay, so gamitin niyo po. And this is for free. Libre lang po yung 2,500. Wala pong magbibigay sa atin ng 2,500 for free. Okay? Kung meron man, swerte nyo na, pahingi rin ako. But anyways, I checked out the progress of those who are funding under me. It is very big already, so I'm happy to say na at least maraming Pinoy ang mabibigyan ni eToro. Right? Malaking tulong na yan to start investing, di ba? Again, I mentioned to you guys before, around 2,000 po ang mga under sa akin na nag-register na hindi pa nagpa-fund. If we can get 50% of that to fund lang and start in the international market, start trading, copy trading, that's 2.5 million, right? eToro is gonna give us 2.5 million. That's very big. Right? Laki na ng tulong na yan. So, huwag niyo po sasayangin. If you can fund your account now, if you created the account under me, then that should be a very big help. You can get the $50. Plus, aside from $50, you can join the webinars na day trading ko. Right? And then, isa na yan sa bonus, $50. And then the free webinar. And guys, early March, Arfi and I is gonna have a webinar. Arfi, if you wanna check out Arfi's performance for this month, for January, let's see Lanipay. Right, this is gonna be asan ba yung Lanipay? RFE. Right, I don't think this is the one. Right, but his January performance in this portfolio is 18%. Lanipay, I think na ano niyan, nag-private muna siya. Can't find it. But January performance is 250%. February niya is doing good. Kasi he showed it to me yesterday. Pero pinrivate niya siguro. So, but anyways, laki ng gains. He's trading gold and he's gonna share to us his performance. And guys, yun lang. The webinar is gonna be free. It's gonna be most probably first week of March. Webinar is gonna be free. All you need to do is create an eToro account. So, gawa na kayo ng eToro account using my link. So, kung gagawa na kayo, if you fund it, you get the 50, you get the webinar with Miss RB, and then you get the webinar with RFE, right? We are gonna be sharing to you very, very good information about this. Speaking of RFE, gumawa na po si RFE ng ng page niya. And he is sharing inputs. So on your screen, please go to this Facebook page. It's named It's named RFE E-Trading Hub. This is his page. Alright, so I'll post the link sa comments. Please like his page, right? Para updated po kayo sa anong mga tinitignan niya when it comes to gold trading, right? So, bakit ayaw mag-load? Ayan. So, this is his points. Andyan po yung mga, dito niya po linalagay yung isa sa mga tinitignan niya. Selling Gold's Perspective by Jimmy Huang. We talked about this, about Jimmy Huang. Ito yung isa sa mga parang international sikat when it comes to trading gold. So, ito yung isa sa mga sinusubaybayan niya, and it really helped him in trading. So much info in this page also for in RF's page. He concentrates on trading gold, and meron siya mga inputs that it's gonna be useful for your trading also. So please follow his page also, right? So hanapin niyo po yan. It's gonna be very helpful for you. And then let's go to the mga request niyo. Right, I'll do my best. Cover natin. It's already 9:20. PHA. Yan, see PHA. Alright, so PHA bounce at the support. There it is. Right? Support bounces for PHA. I'd say yes. As much as possible, get in near support para low ang risk ninyo. Try to manage your risks. This is a very good confirmation of the support. We have, what do you call this? We have, an engulfing pattern and overall divergence right here. So this is looking good for PHA. I would say yes. Yun nga lang, ang kalaban natin is the market. Remember, a market, higher chances of losing. So mas malaki ang chances na nag-fail ang technical analysis on the bearish market. We are on a bearish market. So please do not be aggressive. Huwag po malaking pera. If you wanna trade this, if you wanna gamble on this, with this kind of market, maliit lang pera lang. Kung dati ang budget nyo to trade a stock is let's say 50,000, liitan nyo lang po at least kalahati, right? Or 1/3 of that. Yun lang po yung muna ipang trade nyo. At least may kikitain kayo at the very least. Pero huwag po malaking pera. So that when the right opportunity comes, if mag-recover na yung market natin, you still have funds, hindi maipit or hindi mawala. Okay? So only trade small amounts right now in this kind of market. So the PHA is looking good. SSP. Right, SSP. Pullback. Very good. This is a pullback for SSP with a volume of selling for SSP. That's the market for you. Yan yung problema sa bearish market. Chupiteron dito. So, nagkachupitan. So, ang daming naipit. And then, look at the MA20. Malapit na po sa MA20. Tignan natin sa MA20. Okay? MA20 will be the best entry point for SSP. Hot topic rin ngayon si SSP kasi. So, yeah. Tignan niyo po si SSP. Kaso nga lang, bearish yung pinakita niya na signal. Right? So, mukhang tapos na agad. Bilis na tapos na ang trend ni SSP. Pero, maybe it will still continue. Overall is on a good rally. So, next bounce, dun nyo po subukan sa MA20 and then just cut your losses. Right? Ion. Maraming naibit dito sa SSP for sure. Ion. Alright, si Ionics, sabi sa inyo, wait for the pullback, and then there it is, pullback, then nag-bounce MA20. Let's see if we can get a green. Pag may green tayong makuha above MA20, then that will be our confirmation. That will be our entry point for Ionics. Si Sun naman, alright, si Sun, kung hindi kayo nakapasok sa MA20, breakout from this flag pattern will be a very good entry for Sun. Okay, flag pattern, but I forgot the pattern, name ng pattern. But this is a pattern right here. We have a clear resistance right there. Pag nag-breakout, then you can enter or get in at MA20 as much as you can for Sun Trust. So this is looking well. Congratulations, pumasok kay Sun. I recommended Sun here at the support. Laki na ng gains niyan. Yeah, that's for Sun. And then sa international market, someone asked for FB, Facebook. Ayan. So, Facebook nag-gain. If we see a red for Facebook, then I would say, pwede nyo po i-short sell si Facebook. Okay? Pwede nyo po i-short sell si Facebook. We don't have any support right now. Tapos na yung trend niya. So, I don't want you to go buying it yet. Unless we can see a good reversal for FB. Wala pa tayong reversal signals for FB. Talaga. There's an engulfing pattern. So, this is looking well. Pero nga lang, galing gap down ito eh. So, most probably, it's gonna make Facebook drop. So, if ever we see red, you can short sell Facebook. Actually, short selling na yung pinapakita ni Facebook ngayon. So, huwag niyo po habulin. Alright, so, let me go to the comments. Keanu Villegas, maayong buntag mga kasugbuanon, maayong buntag din. Noel Taranco, Coach, pakisuyo si SMC and MBT. SMC, San Miguel Corporation. Woo! Baba na ni San Miguel. Right? Guys, ito sa mga isang companies na gusto ko abangan nyo. This is very good that the price is dropping. This is the reason why I don't want you to trade that much. I want you to stay cash. Abangan nyo na po ito. Right? We are already reaching oversold levels. Bodega for SMC. Right? Whenever we see a bounce or support or stabilization, buy some. If it goes further down, then just keep buying more. Bodega nyo na po ito habang mura pa. Very good company right here. Good find, Noel Taranco. Wala pa tayong buy signals, but any buy signal soon will be a start of accumulation. Accumulation, again, is the best strategy for this kind of market. SMC and MBT. Si Metrobank naman, nag-bounce na ba si Metrobank? Nag-bounce nga si Metrobank kahapon. Laki ng volume ng bounce niya kahapon. So that's good for Metrobank. I want Metrobank to confirm a support, really. Another green for Metrobank should be okay. Pwede nyo po itong ibodega. Right? Metrobank is very good. A very good company. We are on a very good sideways support right here. So yeah, start nyo na po ibodega si Metrobank. Overall, it's still a very good company. Alan Tiga, good morning sir. Pasilip po sa Snap and Uber. Snap and Uber. Pwede kaya natin makita dito sa Snap. Ayan. Si Snap, MA20 bounce. Kaso nga lang, nag-head and shoulder siya. Challenging ito MA20 bounce. Breakout for Snap. This pattern, I just mentioned this pattern earlier. This is a good pattern for Snap. Pag nag-breakout ito, then maganda. Then, secondary breakout would confirm na magtutuloy-tuloy yung trend niya. Okay? For Snap, wait for the breakout for Snap. Alright? Breakout trading. At least low risk tayo. Abner Respecio, good morning, Coach Lloyd. It's been a while that I haven't seen the Daily Grind episode. Nag-green ang PSEI. Pa-snipe naman si SSI and green. O nga, nag-green si PSEI. But, yeah, that's because sobra naman yung bagsak niya. It's about time for it to bounce. So, SSI, let's look at massive supports for SSI. So, this is a very big support for SSI. I think inflation is going to go up the next coming month. So, I think SSI is going to be affected with that. We are looking at a downtrend for SSI. So, iwas lang muna kay SSI. Wala tayong reversal signals. Though we have a support, bigat ng downtrend Let's see in the future. Wala pa. We are reaching major supports for SSI. Mga natin dyan. Okay? Market yung kalaban natin ngayon. So, konti ingat muna for SSI. Si Green. Right, si green is, nasa support pa rin sa green. This is the best time to test green, actually. Yun nga lang, market I really don't like the market. Um, let's see. Ang masasabi ko dito, if gusto niyo si green, though there is support there, we have divergence levels. This is looking good. Market lang is going against us. So if you really want to trade green, technical analysis wise, here, this is looking good. Overall market is bad, so it's really hard to trade. Don't go aggressive, not too much money if you want to trade green. Right? Alam kung gusto niyo mag-trade. So kung gusto niyo mag-trade dito, mas maliit na pera ngayon na, mas maliit ang budget for trading ngayon kasi it's not a very wise time to go aggressive in the market yet. Jetty, good morning. Oliver de Guzman, MWC, sir. Nga pala, update tayo sa copy trading. Copy trading, Mariano Pardo, one of the best na nirecommend ko sa inyo over the past few months. Okay, so 34% last year. January, 4.63. He's already up 1.93% for February. Amazing. This guy, guys, copy trade nyo po. Itong tao to, ang galing. Right? It's already up 6% for 2020. Hopefully, nag-copy trade po kayo sa kanya. Check out Mariano Pardo. Right? Very good trader for you to copy. Okay, so please consider copy trading. Ang ganda na ng gains niya yan. Kaysa kayo po sarili mag-trade ninyo. If mahirapan ba kayo, try to copy trade. Okay? Oliver, MWC. Naalala ko yung copy trading kasi si Oliver, parehas kayo isa sa mga nare-recommend ko rin na trader si Olivier. So, yeah, MWC. We talked about MWC yesterday and then there it is. Maganda yung news. I told you that will help. So, MWC starting to recover. This is good. Hopefully, it gives us a good pullback. Yung mas viable na pullback. That will be the best entry. Okay? Sana bigyan tayo ng magandang pullback na MWC. Ngayon, medyo mataas na sa MWC. Nag-open ang market and it's starting to continue. 9:30 na pala. Right? Right. So, Marims, my question about Union cash dividend. Agree, Mariano, Sir Lloyd, he's my number one. Sila ang may test. Siya ang may Tesla. Oh, siya pala may Tesla. Let's look at his portfolio. He has, I think binanta niya na yung Tesla niya. Meron pa rin siyang Tesla. 188% yung Tesla investment niya. Galing. Right? So anyways, yun lang po ang time na meron tayo today. Pasensya na if hindi ko po masagot lahat. Meron mga nag-question about funding. I just asked Mr. Jeff to move my account under you and I funded it yesterday via wire transfer. Right? If ever Mr. Jeff Gu said that under ka na sa akin and you funded, then that should be okay already. Okay? If you can message me your concerns, please do send me a message in Financial Freedom 101 sa Facebook page ko po. Hindi ko po masagot lahat. Pasensya na po. I do my best that I can. Pero pasensya na po talaga. Kulang po tayo sa oras. That's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. And yan, may mga nag-request sa inyo ng topic. We're gonna be talking about that in the next episode. So please, abangan niyo po ang next episode. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you can share this video to your trading groups, that will be a very big help for us. And at least, para sa mga kaibigan niyo rin po na nagsisimula pa lang. That's it for today. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.